Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 2, Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom. Important questions we are going to discuss question from 46 to 48. Question number 46. Protons can be accelerated in particle accelerator. Calculate the wavelength in angstrom of such an accelerated proton moving at 2.85 into 10 power 8 meter second power minus 1. The mass of proton is 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So, what are the given value? Velocity and mass of proton is a given value. Velocity v is given as 2.85 into 10 power 8 meter second power minus 1. That for mass of proton equal to 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. From this, we have to calculate the wavelength lambda by de Broglie wavelength equation. We know lambda equal to h divided by mv. H is equal to Planck constant 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 unit kilogram meter square second power minus 1 divided by what is m value 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 into velocity value 2.85 into 10 power 8 and unit mass is in kilogram, velocity meter second power minus 1. When we cancel, we will get mass, not mass, meter as a unit of wavelength, second, 1 meter, 1 meter. When you multiply the denominator quantity except the 10 power 1.673 and 2.85, 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by the multiplication of this value gives 4.76 into 10 power here minus 19 plus 8 equal to 27. For the easy cancellation, now I convert the denominator number into the nearby whole number. So 4.75 to this 76 to this, if you add 0.24, it is converted into the nearby whole number 10 remaining 1, 10 remaining 1, 5. So this value becomes 5. Correct. Now if you add 0.24 to the denominator quantity, you have to add same 0.24 to the numerator value 0.24. So this becomes 0.866. Now we cancel these two. This becomes 6.866. 1 5 is 5. In 6, 1 5 is 5, remaining 1 18, 3 5s are 15, remaining 3 36, 7 5s are 35, remaining 1 16, 5. Isn't it? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. And what is the answer? By taking the first two digit value, that is equal to 1.37 into numerator equal to 10 power minus 34 in the denominator. When you bring 10 power minus 19 to the numerator, it becomes plus 10 power 19. That is equal to 1.37 into minus 34 19 when you add here 14, therefore 5 to 1 minus 10 power minus 5 meter. 10 power minus 5 meter. But in our question, it is asked in angstrom. We have to calculate the lambda value in angstrom. So 1 meter equal to 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. When you add these two in this value, now I separate this 10 power minus 15 into 1.37 into 10 power minus 15 can be written as 10 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 5 meter. That is equal to 1.37, 10 power minus 10 meter equal to 1 angstrom, therefore into 10 power minus 5 angstrom. Lambda equal to 1.37 into 10 power minus 5 angstrom. So this is the lambda value 1.37 into 10 power minus 5 angstrom. Question number 47. What is the de Broglie wavelength in centimeter of a 160 gram cricket ball travelling at 140 kilometer horsepower minus 1? First I write the given value. Mass of cricket ball equal to 160 gram. We have to convert gram into kilogram. 160 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. And velocity is given in kilometer per hour, 140 kilometer per hour. Velocity must be in meter second power minus 1. So we have to convert kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000, 10 power 3 meter by 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, therefore 60 into 60 second. When you bring this second to the numerator, it becomes meter second power minus 1. Now I write the lambda formula, lambda equal to h by mb. That is equal to h value 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by m value mass equal to 160 into 10 power minus 3, 160 into 10 power minus 3 into, and velocity v value, this is our velocity value, when you substitute here 140 into 10 power 3 divided by 60 into 60. Easy cancellation. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 10 power 3 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. 3 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 16, 7 2s are 14. Then 1 8 is 8. When you cancel this, 0.8 8s are 64, remaining 4. Remaining 2, 22, 2, 8 are 16, remaining 6, 66, 8, 6 are 64, remaining 2, 20, 2, 6 are, 2, 8s are 16 and goes on. 1, 7 is 7, 0.1, 7 is 7, remaining 1, 12, 1, 7 is 7. So, remaining 2 7s are 14, remaining 55, 58. Then 8 7s are 54, remaining to 21, 3 7s are 21. So what is the answer here up to this? Equal to 0.1183 into 3 into 3s are 9 into 10 power minus 34. Now simple multiplication. 9 into 3s are 27, remaining 2. 9 into 8s are 72, 72 plus 2 equal to 74, remaining 7. 9 plus 7 equal to 16, remaining 1. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.0647 into 10 power minus 34 meter. This is the lambda value. But the question is, we have to calculate lambda in centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1 meter equal to 10 power 2 centimeter, or 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. So according to this, now I divide this 10 power value as 1.0647 into 10 power minus 32 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So equal to 1.0647 into 10 power minus 2 meter equal to 1 centimeter, 10 power minus 32 centimeter. This is the lambda value. So the answer is wavelength de Broglie wavelength lambda equal to 1.0647 into 10 power minus 32 centimeter. Question number 48. Suppose that the uncertainty in determining the position of an electron in an orbit is 0.6 angstrom. What is the uncertainty in its momentum? So which value is given? Uncertainty in position is given delta x equal to 0.6 angstrom, that is equal to 0.6, 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Convert this into the whole number 6 into 10 power minus 11 meter. This is delta x value. We have to calculate delta p momentum. We know the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into delta p greater than or equal h by 4 pi. And also h by 4 pi value is a constant. H by 4 pi equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 4 into 3.14 will give the answer 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 unit kilogram meter squared second power minus 1. So now the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is written as delta x into delta p greater than or equal to 5.28 into 10 power minus 35. We know delta x, we have to calculate the uncertainty in momentum. Bring the delta x to the right hand side, 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 divided by delta x, that is equal to, substitute the value of delta x, delta p greater than or equal 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 divided by 6 into 10 power minus 11. When we cancel 1 6 is 6, 0.86 are 48, remaining 48, 86 are 48. So delta p uncertainty in momentum is greater than or equal to 0.88 into 10 power minus 35 into 10 power plus 11 equal to delta p is greater than or equal 0.88 into 10 power minus 24. In scientific method, we have to write the answer delta p greater than or equal 8.8, 10 power minus 1 means 10 power minus 25, 8.8 approximately equal to 9 into 10 power minus 25 kilogram meter second power minus 1. How do you get this unit? Here kilogram meter squared second power minus 1 is our numerator, kilogram meter squared second power minus 1, delta x is meter, 1 meter get cancelled. Therefore, the unit is kilogram meter second power minus 1. Therefore, uncertainty in momentum delta p is greater than equal to 9 into 25 kilogram meter second power minus 1. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.